Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous, madame?
Moi aussi, ça va? Moi aussi, ça va?
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, dear. Okay, I'm going to mute everyone. Yeah, please mute. So, in the previous class, I think we learned, this is class 6C. 6C, you had learned Sedile symbol, right? Say action Sedile we learned. Lacto Sedile we learned in the previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, d'accord. So there are 5 accents. We already learned 4 accents. Lacto aigu, lacto grave, lacto circumflex. After that, we learned Sedile accent. Sedile. See the, okay, please wait. Sedile, so sedile is a simple that will only go with letter C, with letter C, and the sound pronunciation will be sir. Sound pronunciation will be sir for sedile. 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 Sedile is the accent and the symbol is like that. You will be able to see it along with letter C, only with letter C, and the sound pronunciation will be sir. Sound pronunciation will be sir. Example, le garçon. Le garçon. What is garçon meaning? Garçon, tell me, Pranava, tell me what is garçon? Garçon means?
Ma'am, I was absent on that.
You were absent, so you didn't watch the recorded class video.
No, ma'am, I forgot.
See, if you are absent, please do watch the classes, record a class video, then come and sit in the next class. Otherwise, the previous topic is missing, right? Especially with this French class, every time we can't go back to the previous. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Now, please do watch the recorded class video. Now, Chris, tell me what is garçon?
Boy.
Boy. Garçon means boy. L'autre exemple, c'est le rescue. Le rescue. What is rescue? Nandida? Nandida, tell me what is rescue? Nandida, your voice is not getting. Yeah, Krishna, tell me what is rescue?
Receipt.
Receipt. Rescue means receipt. L'autre exemple, c'est la leçon. La leçon. Leçon. Fida, tell me what is leçon?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Leçon means?
Lesson means lesson, ma'am.
Lesson. D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, l'autre exemple, c'est français. Français. Rana, tell me what is français, Rana?
French.
Français is French. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est ça va. Felix, tell me what is ça va?
Okay or fine?
Okay or fine. Très bien. D'accord. So, say the accent, you will be able to see only with letter C, and few examples also we learned. Le garçon, le rescue, la leçon, français, and ça va. These are the words with lexo sedile. Now we are going to see today new accent, the 5th accent, that is trema. Repeat everyone. Trema is the name of this accent, and the accent is like this. Two dots like this. Okay, and you will be able to see this accent along with 3 letters E, I, and U. E, I, and U. Along with 3 letters E, I, and U. Trema is the accent, and when trema comes, there won't be any change in pronunciation of that alphabet. That letter pronunciation will not change. That will be same as we learned earlier. U, E, and U. U, E, and U. Same pronunciation. Then the purpose is When we see trema, you can see two vowel letters together. Okay? In a word, when you see trema accent, you can find there two vowel letters together. Two vowel letters will be there together nearby. And that time when you see trema there, you have to pronounce those two vowel letters separately. Those two vowel letters you should pronounce separately. Okay? Those two vowel letter sounds should be clearly audible separately. Example, first one is maize. Maize. See the spelling? M-A-I-S. Maize. I is having the laxon trema. Always the second vowel letter we have the trema accent. When two vowels come together, if they want these two vowel letters to be pronounced separately, always the second vowel letter will have the trema accent. Maize. Listen to the pronunciation. Maize. R sound and E sound is clearly audible separately. Maize. And maize means sweet corn. Maize means sweet corn. Maize. Please do repeat everyone. Everyone keep your pencils down. Close your textbook. Book everything down. First you listen and after that I will be giving you time to write. Please everyone close your book. Pencils down everyone. Listen first. Maize. Repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Maize. Maize means sweet corn. And in French we have another word with same spelling. M-A-I-S. Without trema. Without trema symbol, when you have this word, the pronunciation is may. S will be silent and the pronunciation is may. And even meaning is also different. Meaning is but. See the difference? With trema, the pronunciation is maize. Without trema, the pronunciation is may. Maize and may. See the difference? So, when laxon trema will come, you have to pronounce those two vowel letters separately. Maize. And the word meaning is sweet corn. On the other hand, without trema accent, if it is there, the pronunciation is different. May. May. See, same spelling. Only the difference is that accent. May. And even meaning is also different. But. Okay? D'accord? I hope this is clear for you. So, when you find laxon trema, you have to pronounce those two vowel letters separately. Maize. Maize. L'autre exemple. Noël. Noël. Please do repeat everyone. Noël. Noël means Christmas. Noël means Christmas. Christmas. Noël. Noël. Please do repeat everyone. Noël. D'accord? Chris, please keep your pencils down, Chris. And just listen. Rena, everyone, just listen here. Pencils down, everyone. Noël. L'autre exemple, c'est héroïne. Heroine. Here, heroine. I pronounce that heroine. Why? H is beginning at the beginning. So H will be silent. And E is having laxo ague. When laxo ague will come, what is the pronunciation? Heroine. Please do repeat everyone. Heroine. What is heroine? Heroine is heroine. Heroine. Hero and heroine, film actors, hero and heroine, that's it. Heroine. H will be silent. So heroine is wrong. We are not allowed to pronounce H there. Heroine. A sound is coming first. So ague is there. Heroine. L'autre exemple, c'est ire. 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 Here also, H will be silent. Ire. Ire means to hate. To hate. Ire. Ire. Please do repeat everyone. Ire. L'autre exemple. Yeah, wait. This much is enough. Maize. Please do repeat. Maize. Noel. Heroine. Ire. I hope everyone is repeating. Krishna, you are not repeating. Maize. Daniel. Maize. Noel. Aditi. Please do repeat. Noel. Heroine. Ire. Ahil, please do repeat. Maize. Noel. Heroine. Ire. So I hope pronunciation is clear for you. Pronunciation is clear for you. Once again, please do repeat after me. Maize. Noel. Heroine. Ire. D'accord? Wait. Now everyone, you can copy these words to your book and please do write and study for 5 times. Copy these words to your. Meanwhile, I will be taking attendance. When I call your name, please do respond in French itself. Okay, everyone, please do repeat after me. The name of the accent is Trema.
Trema.
Example, say maize.
Maize.
Noel. Heroine. Ire. Once again, please do repeat after me, everyone. Maize. Noel. Heroine. Ire. Okay, d'accord. I hope the pronunciation is clear for you. Let me call. I'm going to call one by one to read. You don't have to click on hand raise symbol. Don't click there. I will call. Everyone keep your cameras on. Angelina Rose, keep your camera on. Prinova, unmute and read.
Okay, ma'am.
D'accord, madame. Please do respond in French itself.
Maize.
Oui.
Noel. Heroine.
H will be silent. So what is the pronunciation if H will be silent? H will be silent. Yeah, first sound won't be there. Heroine.
Hair.
Here still is it beginning with that the word is beginning with H. There also H will be silent and it is not hair, not A sound. Ah. How will you pronounce this letter A in French? A how will you pronounce in French?
Ah.
Now you read this word.
Ire.
We, right. Read once again.
Maize.
We.
Noel.
We.
Heroine.
Not A. Like so AU is there. So it is A. Heroine. Oui.
Ire.
Oui. Très bien, Prinova. Ensuite, c'est Christo.
Maize. Noel. Heroine. Ire.
Très bien, Chris. Ensuite, c'est Pranav.
Maize.
Is it maize?
Maize.
Is it maize? A sound?
Maize.
What is the spelling? Just we. A pronunciation is French is A. Maize. Ensuite?
Maize. Noel.
Oui.
Heroine.
E. Is it E? E sound coming there? A. See the accent. Like so A U with E. A sound. Heroine.
Heroine.
Not a. Heroine.
Heroine.
We. Ensuite,
Air.
is it air? What is the spelling here?
H.
H will be silent. Right. After that, next letter.
E.
Next is E. After that,
R.
is it E after that? After H, which letter? After H.
A.
How will you pronounce A in French? How will you pronounce A in French? No. A alphabet in French. How will you pronounce? A.
A.
Now you read.
Air.
No. A sound. A pronunciation should come there.
Air.
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 Once again, read from the beginning.
Mice. Noel.
Noel.
Air. Heroine.
Once again. Once again, dear.
Heroine.
Not E. A.
Heroine.
We.
Air.
Again, you are doing the same, repeating the same mistake. Is it A sound?
A.
No, not A sound. How will you read English alphabet letter? In French, how will you read? Letter A in French, how will you pronounce? You didn't learn alphabet in French?
Air.
No, not A. Air. Repeat. No, air.
Air.
Pranav, please do practice. I will call you once again. Ensuite, c'est Rena.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you say that in French?
Maze.
No. How will you say yes, ma'am in French?
Oui, madame.
Not oui. Oui.
Oui.
Read.
Mice. Null. Null.
Right.
Heroine. Air.
Très bien, Rena. Ensuite, say, you don't have to click on hand raise symbol. Pooja.
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air. Air.
D'accord, très bien. Ensuite, say Devak.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Mice. Mice. Noel. Héroïne. Air.
Très bien, d'accord. Ensuite, c'est Akhil.
Okay. Mice.
Okay.
Mice.
D'accord.
Noel. Heroine. Air.
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Edwin.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Ice. Oil.
Noël.
Noel. Heroine. Air.
D'accord, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Fida Fatima.
Oui, madame.
Oui.
D'accord. Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air.
Is it A? Fida, is it A?
Madame.
Is it A, dear? No. Air.
D'accord, madame.
Air. Repeat.
Air.
Air is wrong. Air is the correct pronunciation. Air.
Oh, D'accord, madame.
Angeline? Angeline, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madame.
Read.
Mice. Noyer. Heroine.
Heroine, not heroine. Heroine.
Heroine. Oil.
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Felix.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
D'accord, madame.
Oui, madame. Yes, ma'am in French is oui, madame. Read.
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Oil.
D'accord, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Anina.
Oui,
Everyone,
madame.
please keep your cameras on. Aditi, Pranav, keep your cameras on. Read.
Me.
Mice.
Sorry, mice. Oil. Heroine.
Once again.
Mice.
No, we.
Mice.
Mice. The first one is right. Mice. After that,
Heroine.
we.
Oil.
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame. D'accord, read.
Mice. Noel. Heroine.
Not heroine. Is it heroine? Did I read like heroine? No. Heroine.
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 Heroine. Air.
Is it air? I never taught you a word like air. No. Did I taught air? No, we are not in the EVS class. I didn't say air. Air. Please do it carefully and listen carefully and practice. Ensuite, say Aditi Ishwar. Aditi, unmute, dear. Aditi, unmute. Why you are not even moving? Aditi, unmute and read. Sunava, tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Why Aditi is not reading? She won't read.
Ma'am, she will always video.
She will?
Always she will video.
Video. Now I can see her. She is moving. I can see. But she is not unmuting and reading.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, Aditi, never read.
Okay. Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air.
Très bien, d'accord. Anusri, did you read? No. Read.
Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air.
D'accord, très bien. And ensuite, c'est... Is there anyone else to read? Devak, did you read Devak?
Oui, madame.
D'accord. Vaiga, read.
Oui, madame. Mice. Noel. Heroine. Air.
Très bien. Anthony Joel?
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Mice. Noel. Heroine.
No, it is not heroine. See the spelling?
Heroine.
We.
Ire.
Très bien, Anthony.
Merci, madame.
Bienvenue, Vaiga.
Yes, ma'am.
We.
Ma'am, I read.
You read. Okay, just remove that hand symbol from there. Sia.
Yes, ma'am.
We.
Oh, madam. Mild. Heroine. Noel.
Trebia. I hope now pronunciation is clear for you and this accent is clear for you. Okay. So there is we have been completed with all the 5 accents. We completed with all the 5 accents. In the next class, we are going to learn few new words. D'accord? For that, be thorough with these accents and also the pronunciation of the alphabet. Be thorough with those letters and accents. We'll see you in the next class. Bye.